Yeah, I'm cooking hot dog. Cooking.
Here we go, live without social media.
Without internet.
Here. See?
More? Tomato more? I need to clip. No?
Don't do it hard like that because it's gonna flip. So.
Thank you. Thanks, guys. Here we go. Huh? Hello everyone. I'm sleepy. You reach? No. Guys, we gonna go here. There's a road closed. Let's do what's going on here.
Last hill?
Road closed.
Last hill?
It means no one allowed here. There's a way here. Shortcut. What is shit? Let's see if somebody following me. Take a picture of that one. And this night.
With a little bit water. And I drink mine already. So if I don't have water, I can share with his water. That's a boyfriend thing. And do you see the surrounding? We're here at forest. We don't know where we are now. Yeah. Guys, if you hear, I'm super tired. We're walking for already for 1 hour. 1 hour. Walk. Just kidding. We're not even 1 minute, I guess. 2 hours in already.
Guys, I thought I see a bear. But it's not a bear. He's boring because he thought it's a bear.
Hi guys, we are here again at our guys, we have some snacks. We have some free snacks at the car. But I choose to eat this. This is all top. This is best biscuit ever. And this is, I forgot to call this. This is all the way from, oh yeah, Chingaling. This is Chingaling. All the way from Philippines. Thank you, sis. And this is it. I thought we see some bear. He left me there and then I thought I see a bear and then I ran. Just kidding, guys. I cooking. It's a joke. Somebody cooking here, not me. Tell me, what is that? A chicken rib? You can use the sauce to like this one. It does not maybe that's metal.
So I want to put the last one here.
Okay, now he putting some sauce to make it more juicy and flavory. And that's my baby.
Still leaving.
We should, oh no, if we would have done the other one,
What other one?
You know, the other bell peppers and...
Yeah.
But it would have been...
Hey, it's over if we put everything. Oh, there's more. And there's another people there. And here. We're number 17. And here. He get tired. Yeah. Gonna take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Picture. 1, 2, 3. Picture.
He have the sauce, the spicy, and then this is I'm cooking. What I'm cooking? A chicken. Yep. Here we go. It's ready cooked, guys. And this is Chef Chris. Sometimes he's a doctor, sometimes he's a nurse, sometimes he's dictionary, sometimes he's a Google, and now he's a chef.
Google? Why Google?
Because I keep asking random stuff to you. Oh, we need to sing happy birthday.
Why?
Your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Are you trying to be
The kid. The kid on YouTube.
I
The
know,
fun.
but they're copying Marilyn Monroe. When
No.
Marilyn Monroe, when she sang to the president, kid, the president Cameron.
Nice.
Baby. They're trying to put cover to my side because I gotta get cold. Here. And we have an improvised universal cooler. So here we fix our bed already. It's more comfortable and there's a lot of blankets. So we put 4 blankets at least. It's super cold because the temperature is 59 something. And then, I don't know, later. During the bonfire, we're waiting for the fight of Canelo. Next time we're gonna bring the projector. And here, the squirrel eat our food. Right. This is our second batch. It's warm here, it's cold here. So even still have a light or daylight, we still like here. Surrounding. Perfect for 2. Perfect for 2. This is for 8 people, so here we go.
I don't know, maybe we're trying to save the wood for tomorrow, I guess. To make up warm. Morning. Good idea, right? Guys, super perfect. Yeah. And guys, this is the first time I don't have signal. No YouTube start yesterday until today until tomorrow. No YouTube for me. No social media for me. And my baby have a signal. Lucky for him. I can do hotspot, but I don't like it. I wanna break at social media. I want break at YouTube. Okay.
Hi, good morning everyone. Day 3. Yes. We wake up what time? 6:30?
What time? No, like 7. Oh, you mean it's 6:30?
7:44. But we wake up first because we use restroom already. And then the people here is awake also. And then the people there. There's a lot of people up here. I think, oh, they cannot see. Yes, and now we're just gonna make a bonfire. Oh, where's our wood? Oh, there. And we're gonna eat some noodles.
Yeah, we're gonna eat some noodles. Like that.
Bonfire. Can I make bonfire? Can I do bonfire?
Look at that, guys. Later it's gonna be bonfire. And this is my baby. He's trying to plug in the outlet here.
Here we go. This is our breakfast. Cup noodles. And this is our bonfire side. I make that. Oh, it's hot. Hi guys. He unplugged already. So, here. wanna say good morning, people. Other batch. There's one more there. And there's more there. Oh, the tree blocking. I don't know. Here. Ow! And now we're gonna go to bonfire to make ourselves
Let me
warm.
see.